How to remove admin from Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove the admin that you have added on a group, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen, which are the chats. Now simply scroll down to your chat and find the group where you want to remove the admin. Just like this. After that, tap onto it. Just like this. Then here you can find the group name at the top. Just right here. Select it. Then here you can find edit option at the top. Just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find administrators. Just right here, select it. Now here you can find the admin that I have added. Now to remove this admin, tap onto its profile, just like this. Then scroll down and here you can find dismiss admin. Now select it and simply confirm it by tapping on it once again. And now you can see the admin has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove admin from the Telegram group. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.